Guaranteed the helicopter looking for somebody. East, north, about mile 40. There's that big ridge. Putting up camp now. Oh, I'm gonna leave 2 beers and a Dr. Pepper for somebody next time when the next person comes up. You're welcome. Pack your trash out though. There's just 3 cans. Smash them, put it on your back. Anyways, I'm gonna get down on the trail a little more. It is 11:30. I woke up at 10:30. I said it too late. I was actually doing work in the dark, but I was bored, and it gets dark at 5:15. So I just started putting a little work, cutting down this, trimming that, pushing logs out of the way. You can see log right over there. Moved that. That's that tree right there I cut down last night, and then I ended up burning a lot of the wood that I've cut. And there's still one standing right there, and then you cut it, and get it down. Just because it's, if it fell, it could hit that trail. So, anyways, Mountain Mike out.